I'm taking advantage of today. My mother's going to be coming home. And she's like, why can't I come home now? Because I need these few days to prepare. We need the medical bed and all this crap, Mom. That's why you can't. Wanted them to keep you just a little bit longer, but you'll never know that. You'll be saying to me, why are your bangs in your eyes, Laura? You need a haircut, I know. And if they had kept you just a little bit longer, even less than the 5 weeks that every other place you've ever been in has at least kept you that long. Although I had to fight against the one who wanted to have blindside me, and after one had told me that we'd have another meeting before you'd be discharged, and when she's on vacation and the holidays, the other one doesn't know me and is a jerk, and your mom needs to be out now. Gives me a 2-day notice. It's all we have to legally give. You go fuck yourself, cunt. Here's a perfect example of what I tell you guys all the time, how all I do is advocate for my mom and still get the short end of the stick, okay? Because she gets confused and people in her life, ignorant people, just listen to her and have no clue. And then I'm forced to defend myself first with her and then with them if I'm possible, but I can't do that with the sister, but maybe she's watching my videos. If she is, I would never have not given my mother liners. Do you understand? If I know for her well-being and her morale and her this and her that, she wears 3 at home. Even if people think it's crazy, even if whatever, it makes her feel better because she has to take the fucking Lasix, the fucking people, and actually she doesn't know Jardiance. I would never tell her Jardiance causes you to pee too. Remember, they're not giving her meds till late. I give them to her never after 9 a.m. They give them to her 10, 11, whatever, okay? Doesn't matter. There's no, there's no consistency. She told me one night she got her meds at 11 p.m. at night, okay? There's no consistency, no coordination with therapy, with whatever. She gets her meds when she gets them, and it doesn't matter about the pee pill. And the person who had told me we have to tell them the truth if they ask, I talked to her again. I witnessed her outright lie to my mom. And my mom knows she's lying. She's like, she lied to me. Mom, I am not there. I told you I didn't lie to you. I'm not there when you get your meds at whatever fucking time, okay? I don't blame you in the least not wanting to take that fucking pee pill when you're leaving and going to get a CAT scan and follow-up CAT scan and don't want to pee yourself. They're not going to make sure they give you the meds, Oh no, I think that day they didn't give them to her early. But other days, she's been peeing herself constantly. And then they're like, well, why doesn't your daughter bring you liners? The daughter was told by your supervisor, your nurse, whatever, that I wasn't allowed from day one. I will pay for them. I will bring them. No, it's a skin issue. We're not allowed. She can wear the one and that's it. She gets to wear the one and she can't stand it. And she's peeing constantly, and she's peeing through her clothes, and then they're blaming me, of course. When I asked, and I know the name of the person, she said no, I asked her day one. I forgot that, and my mom's bitching and crying to people in Massachusetts, the decades-old friend and the sister, okay? Mom, I asked, do you think I wouldn't have brought them to you? We have them at home. I asked. They said no. They said it kindly. They said it hasn't. I said, I will pay for them. She's used to wearing 3. She wants to at least wear a liner with her. It's not allowed. You think I'm going to argue when she's just in there in day one? It's bad enough I had to have so many subsequent fucking arguments and advocating and them hating me. I do nothing but advocate for my mother. Nothing but advocate for her. Just because she's confused or forgets, I don't blame her. She doesn't want to pee. She's supposed to get that fucking pee pill early in the morning, not at 10 or 11 in the day.